Welcome to my video. This is my second video on the construction process of my character Beast for my comic strip collection book. Just zooming in to see it clearly. I'm gonna start tracing around the edges of his head with my green transparent brush, which is a normal brush on a color flatting layer underneath multiplied lines layer. Then I grab the magic wand tool on color flat green layer and click inside the lines, and it selects the space inside the green outline, which you then want to click select, modify, expand, then expand it by 2 pixels. Next you want to make sure you switch layers and fill with the same color in your selection, then merge the 2 color layers, in my case green. Deselect and magic wand it again. Switch back to the lines layer while you have that full green layer selected. Cut and paste and you will have all your lines and no paper, so you can get rid of the paper layer. And put a new bottom layer as blank white fill, new paper, nice and clean. This gets rid of folds and color disorientation and physical paper that you often took a photo of rather than scan.